This is your Suzuki Hustler. This is a great car for the purpose it's meant to be. If you're looking for a fuel-efficient car, small, nimble, agile on the corners, this is for you. But if you're looking for speed, bigger cars, more compartment, this is not for you. Kaya this video is made for us to manage our expectation kapag meron na tayong Suzuki Hustler. This is not built for speed, although may mga turbo version. But again, this is not meant for us to go on a high-speed highway. Bibigyan ka niya ng speed up to 100, maybe even more. But of course, yung build niya is not meant for high-speed highway. Medyo malikot na siya i-drive, 80 kilometers to 100. Lalong-lalo na kung medyo mahangin yung lugar, yung highway, or meron mga kasabayan na mas mabibilis din. Nag-upgrade tayo to bigger tires na from 165, naging 175 na siya. It improved the ride on a high speed. Pero again, hindi yung tipong naka-SUV ka na. Second, kung medyo introvert ka at ayaw mo ng small talks, hindi to para sa'yo. Again, in the parking lot, maraming magtatanong sa'yo, ano yung kotse mo? Madalas, maririnig mo ang cute ng kotse. Kung meron hindi ako gusto sa design, yun yung headlight niya. Hindi kasi siya purely bilog. Meron siyang extension para doon sa turn signals. Para sa akin, hugis inodoro yan. Pero for you, kung maganda yan, okay lang din naman. Pero sa mga bagong Suzuki Hustler ngayon, mga hybrid version, maganda na. Actually, meron din extension, pero very defined. Mas malaki na yung projector lens niya. At the same time, hindi na chrome yung nakapaligid sa kanya. Dark na. Kaya ginawa na lang din namin, instead of chrome, we painted it with black, matte black, para mas maganda tignan. Optional lang naman yan. If you don't like that, it's up to you. The headlight itself, medyo mahina siya. 35 watts lang yan, HID. Now, you can always upgrade naman. Marami na tayong mga LED lights ngayon available in the market that is plug and play para dito. Yung fog lights niya, kung di ka rin satisfied, you can also upgrade it. Marami nang available sa market ngayon na plug and play. Another thing I don't like about this Suzuki Hustler, yung windshield niya masyadong maingay kapag high speed. Kapag ka low speed lang or mga up to 70 kilometers, wala namang problema, hindi mo siya maririnig. But medyo mabilis na, medyo maingay na. It's because of the wind dragging. Yung design kasi niya, hindi katulad ng other K cars na medyo slanting, may angle. Ito, halos walang angle. So, yung salpok ng hangin, medyo maingay talaga on the high speed. Actually, bearable naman. Yan lang talaga, kung hindi ka sanay sa mga ganyang ingay, you would find this distracting. Kinda. For comparison din, yung Suzuki Hustler, I think ang pinakamaliit na windshield na meron. Sa others, medyo malalaki talaga kasi mga high roof. This one, yung normal roof lang. Kaya hindi siya ganun kalaki tignan or kalawak tignan. Another complaint I have is the lack of spare tire. Actually, common to sa lahat ng mga K-cars kasi they provide inflators instead. Pero yung mga minivans kasi, mga K-vans, meron yan, mga spare tire sa likod. This one don't have kasi medyo maliit na rin kasi yung space niya. Siyempre, of course, siguro dahil sa weight din, binabawasan nila. Pwede ka pa rin naman magdala, lalo na kung long ride kasi pagka malaki yung laceration ng tires, of course, hindi na pwede yun ng inflator lang. Last thing about the design, kasi dumating na yung mga Suzuki Hustler na hybrid. Mas magaganda talaga siya. Now we have the point of comparison. Dito kasi sa old version, mga round yung edges niya. Dun sa bago, medyo defined na yung edges niya. Medyo mas matutulis na. Mas may angas na. But again, kung hindi ko naman doon nakita dati, siguro this is perfect for me. But again, hindi naman siya talagang pangit. It's just, I think the trims, the edges are better when it is more defined. Now, the verdict, is Suzuki Hustler for you? Depende. Kung more on the city ride ka lang, masisikip yung kalsada, lalo sa mga subdivisions natin dito, yung parking maliit, this is perfect car for you. But if you're looking for SUV comfort, if you're looking for speed, if you're looking for mas maraming compartment na mailalagay, this is not for you. Actually, lahat ng complaints natin about Suzuki Hustlers, very minor lang siya. It exceeds far yung mga expectations natin. For a 660cc na madadala ka niya sa highway ng ganyan, 100 kilometers per hour na smooth pa din. Actually, malaking plus points na yon. But again, it's not built for that. Yun lang talagang, you just have to manage your expectation that this is not the perfect car if it is not for its purpose. Now, this is just my unpopular opinion about this. Suzuki Hustler is a great car. But if I maybe compared it to a Spacia, I would go for Spacia. But that's subjective. Others would prefer Suzuki Hustler, but I, myself, more on the Spacia guy.